Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of Euro USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. And if you also trade on other pairs like Gold USD, GBP USD, GBP JPY, then do check out the forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel. So let's get started. So this is the 4-hour chart of Euro USD in front of us right now, and right now market is trading at 1.1025. This is the current market price here. Right now, if you look at the last 4 or 5 candles, then we can easily see that there is not much movement on the chart of Euro USD. In fact, all the Euro pairs are very dull as of now. Okay. And if you look at the chart of DXY, then overall things have not changed much for DXY. Market is still very much an uptrend as long as DXY is maintaining its market position above the level of 97. We will consider DXY as bullish only. Overall bullish market, but right now you can see that DXY is also sideways. Okay, so keep in touch with the DXY as well. And I would like to mention one more thing, that this is the forexfactory.com, and you can see that Fed Chair Powell speaks again. My God, so there will be again volatility, so be careful. And if you look at the forex sentiment meter here, okay, the sentiment meter mainly shows the position of the retail traders, and you can see 40% traders have taken short position and 59% are on the long side. It means that they have taken buy position. So you'll find a forex sentiment meter on my website. So mostly retail traders are thinking, 60% retail traders are thinking that market will be going up, and 40% are expecting the market to go down. Usually we see that market move against the sentiment of the retail traders. So let's see in which direction the market moves. So if you have watched my previous videos on Euro USD, then the structure of the Euro USD chart has not changed much. We still have the top level 1.1120 to 1.1150. Okay, let me stretch this level. Okay, this is the strongest resistance in the market right now. Okay. If market goes up, then you can expect selling pressure around this level 1.1150 to 1.1120. Around this level you can expect selling pressure in the market, and if market crosses also, then we also have the 200 period moving average coming up. So there is a high possibility that if market goes up also, because of many resistances, market will face selling pressure, and if we see strong price rejection from above, definitely we can take sell position. Because if you look at the overall chart here, then overall trend of market is very much towards the downside. If you compare these two sides here, okay, if you compare the uptrend and the present recovery in the market, and you can see that downtrend, the selling pressure was much higher in comparison to the present up move in the market. So overall bears, sellers are still present in the market. So if market goes up, then we can expect selling pressure around the 200 moving average, which is also acting as a dynamic resistance in the market, and the resistance here. Okay, and the strongest support in the market is this level 1.0820. 1.0820. This is the strongest support in the market. In case there is a crash in the market, if you see heavy selling in the market, then you can put a buy limit. Yes, I'm using the word buy limit. Usually I do not use these words, okay, but yes, I'm saying that you can use a buy limit around this level, because this is the strongest support zone in the chart of Euro USD. And then we have 1.0900. Okay, 1.0900. This is also a very strong support zone in the market, because this support zone belongs to the weekly chart. Okay, but as we all know that there is a war between Russia and Ukraine going on, and we know it very well that because of the geopolitical factors, there has been a crazy ride in the market for the last couple of weeks. बहुत पागलपंती चल रही है market में. So keep in mind that in case something bad happens, okay, 1.0900 is there from the weekly chart, and if it fails also, then we can hope that ये level पकड़ ले 1.0820. So these are the most important levels on the chart of Euro USD. But if you want levels, okay, if you want Euro USD to trade for levels for day trading, then you need to move to the lower time frame. But before I proceed, I would like to talk about this. Probably you know about this, that I'm on a mission and I have started the world's most affordable forex trading workshop, because I just want to spread the knowledge. Because after the COVID-19, okay, things have changed drastically. Okay, previously people were looking looking at the market as a source of income, temporary source of income, side income. But after COVID-19, when millions lost their employment, millions lost their business, things have changed drastically. and most of us, okay, most of us have only trading as the only source of income right now, but we do not have access to proper knowledge also. So, and the classes, the online workshops that are available are extremely costly, because when I started trading, I also could not afford it in the year 2013, 2014. So this is the main reason I have started this world's most affordable forex trading workshop. If you are looking for proper knowledge in the market so that you can become a profitable trader, you can, if you want to take up trading as a serious profession, then please do check out this link in the description. And I have also started world's most cheapest signal service. Yeah, it's only $100. It's only $2 per month, 100 rupees for Indian clients. If you want, then you can check out this also. Everything is in the description. So Euro USD. So for day traders, okay, for day traders, you can see that 1.1070 1.1070 is a kind of a resistance in the market. If market goes up also, you can expect a reversal around this level. Okay, if you see market forming shooting star kind of a pattern or strong price rejection around this level, you can definitely go for sale as well. And at the bottom we have 1.0960 to 1.0950 as the support in the market. So you can expect proper support here. If market comes down to this level and bounces, we can go for buy as well. As you can see that around 1.1040 also we have got some resistance in the market. But if you want to take a sell position, you can take a sell position. But if you ask me, Abhilash, what I should be doing, then I'll say that 1.1070 is more reliable in comparison to this. But still, if the market remains like this with less volatility, then definitely you'll get a sell position here as well, 1.1040. But for support, okay, for support, we have a temporary support around this level 1010 also. Temporary support बहुत strong नहीं है, temporary support. But in case market falls, this is the level. So typical sideways market going on right now, you can easily see. So if market goes up and reverses from here, sell. If market comes down and bounces from here, buy. And यहाँ भी same, reverses, sell, bounces, buy. Simple as that. Okay, just keep in mind, whatever you do, please follow proper risk management, because see, this is my analysis, I can be wrong as well. So be careful. Bye bye, take care.